Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove or how to replace the rear door, the whole door. We're talking the whole door assembly on a Ford Fiesta guys MK7. So that should cover the generation from 2008 all the way into 2017, okay? We have a hatchback here, but sedan will be, it should be the same procedure. We're demonstrating on 2015 ST, but the whole generation will be identical guys. So we'll demonstrate on the rear left door removal now. The rear right will be identical procedure, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, so let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay guys, so what we're going to do now, we'll need to disconnect the wiring harness. Okay, and we'll recommend to disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before you do that. So now there is a trick about removing that and putting it back together. Since the video guys will be about removing the door, I don't want to waste your time just watching us put it back together. It will be in reverse order, but we'll show you how to do the wires, how to put them together, because there is a trick involved there, so make sure you stay with us. Okay guys, I'm going to need a tin, flathead screwdriver, a door panel removal too, okay, and we're going to grab the seal now, and you need to kind of like get it loose on one side. Okay, and start pulling it out. Very careful not to break it or break any wires. Okay, we got that part ready. Now the front one is identical. We have a video how to remove a front door. There is some differences. Now we have one thing here that we need to press down, and it's going to release the wires on top. But on the bottom you have two of them. Okay, unfortunately it's not just one, it's two. Okay, and you can press them like that, both of them, with the screwdriver. Okay, we have our battery disconnected, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull it to the side, and we're going to disconnect the wires now. Okay, so right here you press down. Okay, it's let me pull it down. Okay, and I need to get the prying tool. Okay, the plastic tool. You don't want to pull for the wires. Never pull for the wires. Okay, like that. And we can disconnect it. So now, let me show you how you're going to install that before we proceed. Okay, you're going to connect the wire later. And now it's important, what it's important to do, you need to get that edge of the, you can see the seal on top right here. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, now, otherwise, you're not going to be able to close it. Okay, we almost have it in all the way. Okay, you can see how it's going. And when you push it in, okay, you need to kind of like aim it a little bit. Okay, and when you push it in, the seal, okay, you can see the seal contacts good and insulate the wires there. Otherwise, you have the seal loose and moisture coming in. You want to avoid that as much as you can. So that's the only trick when you put it together. I just wanted to demonstrate you quick guys how to do that. You can see if you do it one time, okay, it doesn't take long at all. It's a really easy design, the way they thought about it, if you know what you're doing. And that's why it's a good idea to watch the video before you do it yourself, because if we break something, we're going to let you know so you can avoid breaking that on your car now. Okay, again, I'm going to get the prying tool right here, and once I press it down, okay, let me just come on the side here. When I press it down, I'm going to pry it, okay, just like that. Stay with us to see what else you need to do. Guys, and the easiest way to remove it without messing up your hinges is to remove the two bolts on top. You have to have the door closed and one person holding it, okay? Get them loose now, okay, one on bottom, one on top, and then you can see you have two more on the bottom. Okay, we got those loose now. So what we're going to do, we'll get the little impact, okay, save us a little bit of time, make the video faster so we don't waste your precious time guys. Okay, one on top. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hold the door, okay, before we remove the last two. Okay, you can see we got this one out now. Once you disconnect the wires, you're going to open your door, guys. Okay, and right here you have one bolt with a 10mm socket. Okay, and you can see this one is really tight. It's never been removed. Okay, we got it loose. And usually you might even have thread locker on those. Okay, we almost got it. It's not going easy. This one will never do. Okay, right there. You can see the body is almost out. You have to be careful not to damage your seal. Okay, just like that. Let's go ahead and see what else we need to do. Alright guys, so I'm holding the door now because this is the last one now. You have to have a person holding it. Okay, now what we're going to do, okay, we'll have one person holding the door and you have to open the door handle. Okay, and you can just go ahead and remove, okay, the whole door out. Okay, never leave it on the concrete because you're going to scratch the bottom of it and later it will rust. Okay, so you can see we removed the door, guys. So that's how we do it. You put everything back together in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Probably we have about 200 videos on that car.